Kindergarten Dolphins. We're going to get started on some math. So let's go over our objective. I'll start, you repeat. Objective is what we are going to learn. Let's flip it over. Our objective says I can make and break up to 5. So we're still working on our number bonds. We are going to be hearing some different stories with our number bonds today and putting together our number sentences. So get out your number bond mat and we'll get started. Okay, so we have our number bond mats out. We're going to look at making some number sentences to go with our number bonds today. So here we see a problem that shows us 5 cubes. It wants us to come up with some ways that we can break up this group of 5 into some number bonds. Remember, our objective is to make or break groups of 5. We're going to start with looking at breaking up this group of 5. So think to yourself right now, what is one way that you could break up a group of 5 into your number bond? There's a few ways we could do it. I could take 1 cube in one group and then 4 in another group. So I could do 1 and 4. And how could I say a number sentence to show that? I could say 5 is 1 and 4. 5 is 1 and 4. 1 and 4 make 5. Now notice, I started my sentence by talking about my total. That's kind of different. But does it change the truth of the number sentence? No. I'm saying the same thing. If I say 1 and 4 make 5, that's the same thing as saying 5 is 1 and 4. So I can start with talking about my total or my hidden partners. Let's try another way. So I found 1 and 4. What's another way that I could make 5 or that I could break up this group of 5? Well, let's see. I could do a group of 2 and a group of 3. So I could write 5 is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 make 5. So did you hear how I started my number sentence again? By saying 5 is. 5 is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 make 5. 5 is the same. 5 is equal to, the same as, remember that Izzy, our equal sign, always wants things to be the same. 5 is the same as a group of 2 and a group of 3. 5 is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 make 5. Okay, let's look at our hearts now. Go ahead and erase your number bond mat. We're going to look at this group of hearts. Now, how many do I have in this group of hearts? I have 4 hearts, so I'm going to write in my total here a number 4. Now, what is one way that I could make 4? How could I break up my group of 4 here? Think about it, write it down on your mat. What kind of number bond could you show that is equal to 4? How could you break apart that group? Well, you could start with 1 and 3. 1 and 3 make 4. 4 is 1 and 3. 4 is equal to 3 and 1, or 1 and 3. So remember, we can say our number sentence in a couple ways. We can say 1 and 3 make 4, or we can start with our total. 4 is 1 and 3. Nice job. Let's come up with another way to show this. So again, we're starting with how many hearts? We have 4. So we're going to be breaking up this group of 4 here. What's another way that we can break up this group of 4? We already said 1 and 3. How else can we break up this group of 4? We could do 2 and 2. 2 and 2 is 4. 4 is 2 and 2. 2 and 2 make 4. 4 is 2 and 2. Very nice. So do you hear how we can say our number sentence in a couple ways? Yeah, we can either start with our total or start with our hidden partners. You're going to have to fill in some number sentences today for your homework, and you might see it starting with the total or the hidden partners. So make sure you know how to say it both ways. Let's look at how you're going to practice this. Okay, so this is going to be what you'll see for your homework here. You'll notice that we have some different groups here. You're going to have to look at the groups, fill in the missing numbers on your number bond, and then fill in the number sentence. Now notice, look at these words here. You should be able to read them. This says 3 is blank and blank. Are we starting with the hidden partners or the total? You're starting with the total here. It's telling you 3, this group of 3, is blank and blank. Is what? You're going to need to look at your hidden partners here. 3 is the same as these hidden partners. When you put them together, they make 3. So notice that we're starting with the total for these number sentences. So fill in the missing numbers in your sentence and your number bond. That's how we're going to practice our making and breaking of our groups today. All right, Kindergarten Dolphins, give it a try. I believe in you. You guys are doing so awesome with this stuff. So keep it up, okay? I'll see you later. Bye.